Today we're going to show you all the ways in which you can share knowledge with your organisation's operators and end users. To start, we're going to open the Knowledge Base Start page via the Knowledge Management module page. On the Knowledge Base Start page, your operators can always quickly find knowledge items by searching via the search bar in the top right corner. They can also find items by navigating through the knowledge base themselves. As you can see in our knowledge base, the knowledge item named Coffee Tastes Watery isn't placed under a very logical heading. In order to move it, we first need to open it in the so-called Explorer by clicking Edit in Explorer. This option is located under the More button. To the left, you can now see the tree structure of your knowledge base. You can use the buttons at the top to edit your knowledge base. For instance, the Create button contains all options for creating new top desk cards. Under the More button, you can find all other options. To move the opened knowledge item to a better location, we're first going to click Cut. We then navigate to the desired heading via the tree structure and click Paste, which is also located under the More button. Under the tabs of the knowledge item, you can set up several other options. The Publish tab contains all options determining where and when the item is displayed. For instance, you can choose to only show it in the self-service portal for a certain period of time. This knowledge item, named Coffee Tastes Watery, isn't visible in the self-service portal yet. To do so, select Visible in Self-Service Portal and save the card. You can also make the knowledge item only visible to operators and end users of certain branches, but we're not going to do that now. On the News tab, you can turn the knowledge item into a news item, which can be shown in the news feed of the operator section or the self-service portal. It's also possible to show news items only for a certain period of time. Lastly, if you want to offer your operators and end users some extra information, such as extensive documentation or any other attachments, you can also link files to the knowledge items. This can be done on the Document Overview tab. On the home of this portal, we can see all major service disruptions and news items that have been made available to end users. After opening a news item, we can view linked documents, such as the training guide in our example. End users can also find what they're looking for by using the search bar at the top of the self-service portal. After we start typing our query, we start getting suggestions from every part of the portal. In our case, the coffee is watery. If we fill in Coffee Watery, the desired knowledge item is suggested. After opening the item named Coffee Tastes Watery, we can immediately create a new call if the proposed solution is not sufficient. We can also give feedback on the knowledge item itself and navigate to other parts of the knowledge base by using the bar on the right. However, this isn't the only way knowledge can be provided to end users. For instance, if we navigate to Building Complaint after opening the subpage named Report an Issue, we'll immediately get a list of the most viewed knowledge items. This list is located to the right of the form. If we start entering information in certain fields, such as the Describe the Complaint field of this form, these most viewed items are replaced by suggestions. As you can see, if we enter No Paper in Printer here, the first suggestions are the knowledge items we'll most likely need. After opening this knowledge item, we can even navigate to the other suggestions by clicking the arrow icons to the left and right of the item, and rate whether the item was helpful to us or not. Another way to conveniently share knowledge with end users is adding knowledge items to certain subpages. For instance, if we open the subpage named Office Facilities, we'll immediately see a list of frequently asked questions. Thanks to the knowledge base, you can easily safeguard and share knowledge within your organisation.